Rice Guide Honest Review. So, you see that it fits a lot. Unlock expert advice, level up your life, get results faster. That's exactly how Rice Guide is marketed. But after digging in with this website, this thing feels like a fancy wrapper over stuff you could already find for free on YouTube or in blogs. The pitch is that you sign up, get bite sized lessons, mentorship, frameworks, accountability. Sounds premium. Their site is full of testimonials, transformations, and bold claims like you'll never drown in ideas again. So, let's check the reality. On the Google Play reviews, people call the lessons mediocre, AI generated, and even warn that the app tricks you into paying subscription by accident. One user posted that this entire app is useless. It's all AI generated. You pay $50 a month for just common knowledge. On the flip side, the site does have some positive testimonials, which people saying lessons are well structured, easy to follow, etc. But testimonials are marketing. They don't prove it's better than free resources. So better check out other reviews too. Another red flag is that it has several users on Reddit warn that the subscription is nearly impossible to cancel and that they found hidden charges later. So, the pros of this website or platforms that it has decent presentation, structured approach, and it might push someone who's otherwise passive to engage. The cons is that the content may not be original or deep, expensive relative to open content, weak cancellation policy, and exaggerated promises. So, for final verdict, Rice Guide is not a total scam, but it's an overpriced repackaging of ideas that you can find for free. If you are trying to level up, you can start with YouTube, blogs, or free frameworks first, like Coursera. Only pay when you see something proprietary that you can't find somewhere else. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.